Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Escape to this 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom house in the cool hills on Bellevue Drive, Smokey Vale, Kingston. This home is perfect for a large family so everyone can have their own comfortable space. You can relax on the balcony that overlooks the city with a view to die for while sipping your coffee or having a glass of wine with a good book. The total land area of this house is 40,517 square feet or 0.93 acres of land. Other features of this house includes garden area, grilled, jetted bathtub, fully walled, jacuzzi, view of the city, quiet area, and pets are allowed. The asking price for this house is US 850,000 or Jamaican $132 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.